Excel has a powerful Find feature which lets you search for texts, numbers, formats, and more. It returns the location of a considered text. Find and replace. Normal search. I expand my table to 37%. Nothing special is done. Just some new people with their salaries are added. Here, I want to search a name among these data by pressing Ctrl F from keyboard or from Home tab, Editing section, Find and Select icon. From drop-down, select Find. It is possible to open the search box. What we want to search, type here. This is a simple search. For example, I type Jack, then press and find all. Two results are shown, Jackson and Jack. Now, from Options tab, we can limit the search. How? For example, I want to find Jack just in this sheet, not in an entire workbook. Search in a column or row. Search in formulas or no. Just look on values or even comments. I select formulas. That means even in formulas, Excel looks for this type name. Match case is for upper and lower cases. If I select it and type Jack with lowercase, the result is 0 because in our form, J is typed in uppercase. When I change this J to uppercase, the result is shown. Here is two search results. By clicking on each option, the result is shown in a sheet. I select Match entire cell contents. It means don't look for Jackson, just what I typed there, find it. I press on Find All. Just the exact name which is typed is found. If I remove K, because Match entire cell contents is active, that's why there would be no result. Search by format. I press on Ctrl F from keyboard to activate search box. Here is Format. I click on it. A format window opens. Here we can search the format of a cell, the number formatting, the alignment of a text, font, border, or the color of a cell, or even the locked cells. I want to search by color of a cell. From Fill, select yellow color. We can search more formats. For example, yellow color with any font or border. Now, color is enough here. Press on OK. The format which we selected is shown in preview box. I remove the type text because I want to just see the yellow cells, not yellow cells that contains Jack. All yellow color cells are found. We can clear this format from here. Or if I want to clear all formats, click on this small triangle near Format and press on Clear Find Format and press on Find All. All cells are shown now because there isn't any cell format nor the text. Search in a range. It is possible to search in a range. I select a range, then press on Ctrl F from keyboard. Now type the text. I remove the checkmark of match case and match entire cell contents. Then find all. You see just one result is shown because in this range the text which contains Jack is 1 and it is Jackson. Search on a column. We can even search in a column. By selecting a column or columns from top, then press and Ctrl F from keyboard. Because the Jack is written, I won't type it again. Press and find all, Jack is shown. Either select the entire row or rows and columns together. I select first row, then by pressing the Ctrl from keyboard, I select months and location columns, then press and Ctrl F and search what you want. For example, Central and find all. These are found from the selected rows and columns. All results are the cells which contain Central. Replace tab. Press and Ctrl F from keyboard. Then Replace tab. It is clear from its name. I want to find Jack and replace it with Jane with red cell color. For red color, I needed to select options. Here is like what we talked in the Find tab. Select from out of the replaced one. Fill, red color, and OK. If I press on replace, nothing happened. First, press on find all, then replace. I press once. The first Jack is found, then replaced with James, with the red cell. But the rest Jacks remain and not changed to James. If I select replace all Jacks and the text which contains Jack, like Jackson, is changed to James with red cell. I press on replace all, you will see the result. I step back by pressing Ctrl Z twice from keyboard. Then press Ctrl F to open the search box. In Replace tab, select Match Entire Cell Contents. This time I press Replace All. Just Jack name is replaced with Jane, not Jackson. Go to Special. Go to Special allows you to quickly select all cells that meet certain criteria. This is a useful section in Excel. Let's see how it works. I select my form. Press on the first cell, then select both Ctrl and Shift from keyboard. With arrow keys, I can select the whole form. From Home tab, Editing section, click on Find and select. Then from drop-down menu, select Go to Special. Here are several radio buttons. I select Blanks radio button and OK. Just the blank cells are selected. Now we can easily delete them just by one click. Select a column, then go to Special. Select Blanks and press on OK. Now the blank columns are selected. Right-click on one of these blanks, then press on Delete. Select entire row. Now all blank rows in this list are removed easily. If I select formulas, all formulas which I want, select then OK. All cells which have formulas with chosen formula types are selected. I can easily delete or make any changes to all the formula cells. As a result, go to Special command. Easily select all cells with certain criteria. This criteria is in these radio buttons.